Okay, so we got this situation. Let alpha equals to this, beta equals to this. If this thing is this, then find n. Okay, so look at this. First, try to break your alpha. You know that whenever sum is given in addition or subtraction, you can segregate them. Okay, so we can write summation r starts from 0 to n, r square ncr plus 2 times summation r ncr plus summation ncr. Okay, so if you will observe here, the r's, the numbers are written in the numerator, so you know that you have to take help of differentiation. Correct? So how we will respond? Just try to understand. So the idea is I will take help of 1 plus x power n. So look at this. You will have nc0, nc1x, nc2 x square, nc3 x 3, and then nc4 x power 4 dot dot dot. Correct? Now let's look at this part. Okay, so it is nc0 means r will start from 0, nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus nc3. So it is same thing now. So how we will get that thing? So we will put x equals to 1. So it is 2 power n nc0 nc1 and then nc2 nc3 dot dot dot. So we got first part as 2 power n. Okay, now look at the second part. So what I will do, I will do differentiation. So it will become n times 1 plus x power n minus 1. This nc0 will become 0. Okay, differentiation of constant is 0. So you will have 1 time nc1. Okay, then 2 time nc2x plus 3 time nc3 x square plus 4 time nc4 x power 3 dot dot dot. Now look at this. R starts from 0. So 0 times nc0 will become 0. Now 1 time nc1, 2 time nc2, 3 time nc3. So we are getting things, no? Just we have problem with x. So what we will do? We will replace x equals to 1. Okay. So it is n times 2 power n minus 1. And this thing will become the second part. Okay. 4 nc4 plus dot dot dot. So this is your answer for second part. Now think about the next part. So next part contains what? Square. So here it is 1, so we want 1 square. Here it is 2, so we want 2 square. Here it is 3, we want 3 square. When it is possible, again we have to do differentiation. Okay, so but if you will differentiate right now, you will have coefficient as 1. So you have to make it 2. So how will you make it 2? We will multiply both sides by x. Okay, so we got this. Now we will differentiate again. Okay, so it is n times, I will keep first function as it is, 1 plus x power n minus 1. Differentiation of x is 0, sorry 1. Now plus, we will keep nx as it is and we will differentiate the next part. So it is n minus 1 into 1 plus x power n minus 1, n minus 2. Okay, here it will become n minus 2, and differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of x is 1. So done with the left hand side. Now you will have what? You will have 1 square nc1 plus 2 square nc2x plus 3 square nc3 and then x square dot dot dot. Now what we have to do? Just replace with x equals to 1. So put x equals 1. So we will get n times 2 power n minus 1 plus n time n minus 1 2 power n minus 2 is equal to same thing, 1 square nc1, 2 square nc2, 3 square nc3 dot dot dot. Okay, and this is the this part, correct? 0 square nc0, 1 square nc1, 2 square nc2. So this is correct. Now let's update the alpha. So alpha is what? 4 times that one. So it is 4 times this component. Okay, so what I will do, I will take things common. So n is common, and the like power of 2 is n minus 1 and n minus 2. So we will take minimum thing outside. So n minus 2. Now we will be left with whom? So we will be left with 2 from this part, and n we have taken, then n minus 1. Correct? So this is the first part. Now look at the next part. Next part is 2 times. Okay? So plus 2 times n 2 power n minus 1. Okay? Now look at the next part. Next part is what? Plus of, okay, the next part is 2 power n. Okay, so 2 power n. Now let's do the simplification. So can I write this as 2 power 2? So it will become 2 power n and then n plus 1. So this is the first thing. Then, sorry, it will become 2 power n into n plus 2 power n. Okay, so what I will do, I will take 2 power n common. Okay, so and also 2 power n we have to take common. Let's see what comes. So we have n square plus n plus n plus 1. Okay, so n square plus 2n plus 1. So can I say that we will have 2 power n and n plus 1 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this is your alpha. I hope the first part is clear. Okay, now let's move on to the beta part. So beta is this thing. Okay, so let's write down the beta. So just be focused on beta. Okay, so who is beta? Beta is summation r starts from 0 to n nCr by r plus 1. So there is a bracket which is missing. Okay, so this thing is this plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so look at this. Here the numbers are in the denominator. So can we take help of integration? Okay, so we will do the simple expansion 1 plus x power n. So nc0, nc1x, nc2x square, nc3 x3 dot dot dot. Now let's do the integration. So if we will do the integration, we will have 1 plus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to nc0 x plus nc1 x square by 2 nc2 x power 3 by 3 and so on, plus integration constant, and this is what we need: nc0 by 1, nc1 by 2, nc2 by 3. Correct? Now means now we will find out value of c. So you know that for c, put x equals to 0. So the value of c is 1 by n plus 1. We got c. Now we have to find out the value of that bracket. Okay, so what we will do? Put x equals to 1. So if we will put x equals to 1, we will have 2 power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay, this c will come this side. So minus of 1 by n plus 1 is equal to nc0, nc1 by 2, nc2 by 3, nc3 by 4 dot dot dot. Correct? Now write down the final beta. So who is beta? Beta is this thing plus this thing. So 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 and then plus of n plus 1. So this thing gone. So we got value of beta as 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Correct? Now let's move on to the real part of that equation. So the question is 142 alpha by beta. Okay, so 142 alpha by beta is smaller than 248. Okay, so 248. Now you have to find out value of alpha. So 140 lesser than 2 times, I will write alpha first. Where is alpha? Yes, 2 power n into n plus 1 whole square. Okay, so it is 2 power n into n plus 1 whole square. I'll recheck, okay, because I don't want to make mistake. 2 power n plus 1 whole square. 2 power n plus 1 whole square. Yes, correct. Now we have beta as 2 power n plus 1 and then n plus 1 smaller than 248. Okay, so if you will club these two things, it will become 2 power n plus 1, 2 power n plus 1 gone. So we are left with 140 n plus 1 cube and then 248. Okay, so you should have, like, you know that n is a natural number. Okay, so you have to find a cube such that the value of cube is in between this range 140 to 248. So suppose that n is 1, so 2 cube is what? 8, which is not the correct answer. N is 2, here n was 1. Okay, so n is 2, so it is 3. 3 ka cube is what? 27. It is not the answer. Suppose n is 3. So it will become 4. 4 ka cube is 64. It is not falling in that range. N is equal to 4. So 4 is 5. 5 cube is 125. Okay. Now suppose n is 5. So it is 6. 6 ka cube is 216. 216 is falling in that category. Okay. Suppose n is 6. So 7 cube is what? 3, 4, 3. Okay. So you know that the 3, 4, 3 is beyond the given range. So which value got satisfied? This. Okay. So can I say that the real value of n is 5? Okay. Which we have to calculate. We have to calculate find value of n. So the value of n is 5. I hope the idea is clear, and when you will solve this kind of question, you will have better understanding about the uh, concepts. It will grill your brain too much. Okay, and you will enjoy these things. Okay.